There's nobody here. I'm not going in there. I'm not going in there. Much as it's tempting to, I hate heights and, well, that door popped open and porta potties took over. And then why didn't you close that door? Oh, this is what I'm really about. There's a room that I'm not going to. There's a hotel next door. Just look out here. There's a movie see inside. That was overburned. Oh, I heard that they're materials they're obviously redoing the building for some reason. Yeah, complete gut job. Well, it was an office building. Commodore Corporation. Let's see what that is. It has something to do with the Commodore Corporation in the 1980s. But this place is overgrown. Jeez. Could at least cut the grass or something. That door. In the back is open. I'm not going to go in there. There's no reason to. I think it's a video. Yeah. It's like they were starting on it. I don't know why they just gave up or if they just call it quits. But, you know, abandoned is abandoned, I guess. I can smell that mold. Good thing I'm not going in there. It's empty, but you can see the building. There's like maybe a little bit. Good couple windows. Windows powerful enough to build a porta potty. Jeez. Let's take a more look inside. They got a PVC pipe and keep the doors closed. Like that's gonna help. I don't know if they were currently working on it or if they just it was a work in progress or they just gave up. Yeah. Looks like they were working on it. I don't know. I'm not going to go in there. Just it's tempting too. One of the areas, well, not there's probably active construction things going on.